Hello my people, I welcome you again to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm really very happy because I'm going to share with you the easiest way you can treat your skin, the easiest way you can get a glowing skin. In this video, it's going to help you to know how to remove dark spots in your face, how to remove pimples in your face, how to treat sunburn, and by the way, this recipe is also anti-aging, okay? And it will help you to prevent or to treat and remove acne in your face. What you have to do is to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And please don't forget to give a like to this video, to comment on this video, and to tell us where you are watching this video from. So let us go to our preparation right now, and we shall be back. Get for me sugar of your choice and 1 tomato of your choice. From that, cut it in 2 pieces, only 2 pieces. And what you're going to do is to add for me 1 spoon of sugar to your cutted tomato. Guys, trust me, if you need to remove dark spots, to remove pimples, to get a glowing skin, you need this recipe, guys. It will help you also to treat sunburn, okay? And then you're going to get for me 1 spoon of natural honey. Add it to your cutted tomato where you have put your 1 spoon of sugar. Trust me, this recipe, when it comes to getting a glowing skin, treating your skin, removing sunburn, removing pimples, removing dark spots, treating acne, it's the #1 recipe, guys. Try it out. But please don't forget to tell us where you're watching this video from, and like our video. And you have to mix our ingredients like the way you have seen it in the video. But remember guys, you have to watch the entire video because I'm going to tell you when and how to use this recipe, okay? Guys, we are back. I hope you have learned the procedures which we'll go through when we are making this recipe at home. It's very simple to make at home. You just need 3 things: tomato, sugar, and raw honey, okay? But after putting everything to your tomato, I want you to scrub your skin where you have pimples, black spots, or acne, at least for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I want you to leave that recipe to stand on your skin at least for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, just get for me cold clean water, clean your face. From that, dry your face, and then you can apply your normal moisturizer you have been using every day. But at least I'm requesting you to use that recipe for 3 days in a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. After 1 month, you will be seeing nice results, okay? You'll be having glowing skin. This is the easiest way and the cheapest way you can get a glowing skin. You can treat your skin without spending money, okay? This is the only place where I bring for you such educative videos which doesn't need to look for a lot of money so that you can treat your skin, okay? So, guys, I hope you have liked my video. Then from that, what you have to do is to give a like to this video, to comment on this video, and of course, subscribe, guys. If you have not yet, guys, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tell us where you're watching this video from. And I guess I have to see you again to the next video. See you again. May God bless you. Bye-bye. I love you.